literally sticks, and oh my, I don't want to, but I have to. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello if you're new. I hope you are having a wonderful time. This is Avneet Talwar, and today I am going to try budget friendly lipsticks for you guys. I have already done a video. You can check it out in the eye somewhere, or I will mention in the description box down below. Let's say this is a part 2, and you guys know how much I love to experiment and try out budget friendly things, because sometimes I feel the products are really hype. So if you're looking to purchase new lipsticks, maybe watch this video and then move ahead and buy out expensive lipsticks. Now, without wasting any further time, let's move ahead and let's get started. So this is the first lipstick that I am going to talk about. This is from the brand called as Nicka K New York. Personally, I have never heard about this brand, but since you know me and I love experimenting, I thought of going ahead and purchasing this. Now this retails for $198. As far as the packaging goes, it is a very basic packaging. All the details are mentioned on top, and this shade is known as Wineberry. So honestly, the smell of this product is very chemically, and I don't know if I'm a big fan of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna squash it on my hand first. Alright. Personally, I like the shade, there is no denying in that, but I was expecting it to be a little more matte, but it is a little on a glossy side. So now let's see how this turns out. This is what the product looks like. Honestly, after applying, you get that matte feeling, but it's not like true matte as to what it claims on the package, and I'm not very happy with the pigment. It's a very average product because I was expecting more of a pigment. It is matte, and if you noticed, it kind of tends to stick. I'm not very pleased with the product. Oh my god, it's becoming difficult for me to speak. So it has a very chipku wala feel, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, I know it's matte, but it is not supposed to be this way. Yeah, I didn't quite like it, and overall I am going to rate this 3 out of 5. With this next product, I have actually surprised my own self, and I have actually bought a lip gloss and a very metallic shade. This lipstick is from Miss Claire Waterproof Perfection Lip Color. This shade is numbered as 20. It ranges for $175. So you get the lipstick as well as the gloss. First step is to apply the color, and the next step would be applying the gloss. I've never applied a metallic lipstick, so fingers crossed. Okay, this color is very weird, I feel. Oh my god. Oh my god. This smells pure chemical. I do not like the smell of it. It is really bad. This is what the pigment looks like. I'm gonna smell the gloss, and if it is this way, God bless my soul. Oh my god. I absolutely hate the smell of this lipstick. Do you judge a lipstick by its smell? Let me know in the comment section, because I do that all the time. So now I'm going to apply it. The pigment is really bad. I don't want to look myself in the mirror because oh my god, this looks so bad. This gloss is literally just removing all the pigment. I'm gonna try to put more product. I don't like it. This is such a bad product and such a bad pigment. I mean, I can use this for eyeshadow, but I'm not gonna use it as a lipstick. $175 and it does nothing. Oh my god. And the smell is so bad. It is so bad. I can't even. I'm gonna remove this. I'm going to rate this lipstick 1 out of 5. This is such a bad product. Don't buy it. The next lipstick is from a company known as Bella Voste. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. This lipstick in real looks very small. This is for 149. Packaging is so cute, but a little expensive for 149. Oh my god, don't you think? Oh my god. Alright, so I thought it's gonna be a little gloss, but this is straight out no nonsense business. It's just a plain grey color. Oh my god. This is a pigment, this grey color. Soft matte. I know I wanted to experiment, but when am I going to wear a grey shade? This shade is known as M66. I have mixed reviews about this. Like, this is very exciting. Like, this color is grey, and if I'm feeling very artistic, I might apply it, but on a normal day, I won't. I think the pigment could have been a little better. I'm sorry, I can't look at myself in the mirror. This is oh my god. So if you're feeling experimental, don't buy it because I'm sure I'll be able to find some other brand with some less range kind of thing with such experimental lipsticks. Yeah, I mean, overall, even the smell is nice, okay? So I'll give it 3 out of 5. I have tried products from Inside Cosmetics and I honestly like their products. This is their liquid lipstick edition. This is non-transfer lip color, alright, and this is in shade 11 Coffee Command. I was really very interested to try this shade out. I like the packaging, it's cute and small, and this retails for 90 rupees. For 90 rupees, of course, it's not that bad. Yeah, I don't understand why this chemical smell. I really don't like it. I'm gonna take a nice swatch. Wow, this is nice, but like I said, I have tried products from Inside, non-liquid ones, and honestly, they had better pigment than what this has. See, when it comes to liquid lipstick, I expect at least थोड़ा और pigment होता तो अच्छा लगता. Any which ways, I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah, I had to go like 3 to 4 times for applying the lipstick, but I'm happy with it. Not bad. For an everyday where you're investing 90 rupees on a liquid lipstick, I think it's totally worth it. So I'm going to rate this 4 out of 5. So the last lipstick that I'm going to try is from LA Colors. The packaging is normal like it was before. It's just that I ripped it off, and this ranges for 198. I think it's a little pricey from the last time. I'm not sure though. The shade that I've ordered is known as Wicked. Oh, this looks so good. The smell. I have a very mixed feeling about it. Oh, this is what the lip shade looks like. It's not that pigmented. I'm not happy with it. Anyways, I am going to take a swatch and let's see. It's not even matte, it's not even gloss, it's like semi-matte, and honestly I had a little more expectation from LA Colors because I've used their products earlier and I'm really not happy with this lipstick. I had to slide it 4 to 5 times and honestly I'm really not happy with this. So I'm gonna give it 3 out of 5. So overall I tested out 5 products and honestly they were really disappointing except 1 or 2 because मुझे याद है जो मैंने मेरा पहले वाला वीडियो किया था उसमें काफी सारे products अच्छे थे. So I'm a little disappointed with the product, but anyways, I will still keep on trying out new products, and that's it for the video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know as to which was your favorite shade out of all these 5, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I will see you next time soon. Bye.